Join me as I break down the CrowdStrike drama from July 19th and try to make sense of all the chaos in layman's terms. In today's cybersecurity landscape, we're constantly reminded of the importance of vigilance and readiness. On July 19th, we saw a prime example of this when a dramatic incident unfolded, sending shockwaves through the cybersecurity community. That's what we're going to explore today. The incident sparked widespread chaos, leaving many to wonder what exactly was happening behind the scenes. At its core, the incident was a perfect storm of confusion, misinformation, and uncertainty. As the story unfolded, it became clear that this was no ordinary event. The implications were far-reaching, and the cybersecurity community was left reeling. But what exactly triggered this chaotic sequence of events? The incident was characterized by a perfect storm of technical issues, communication breakdowns, and human error. As the situation spiraled out of control, the world watched in awe, trying to make sense of the mayhem. At the center of the storm was CrowdStrike, a leading cybersecurity firm tasked with protecting some of the world's most sensitive information. On that fateful day, their systems were pushed to the limit as a series of technical issues began to manifest. The first signs of trouble emerged when reports of false positives began flooding in. It soon became clear that something was very wrong, but exactly what that was remained a mystery. As the situation escalated, key players scrambled to contain the damage, but their efforts were hindered by a lack of clear communication. The world was left in the dark, wondering what was happening and why. As the minutes ticked by, the situation only grew more intense. The usually reliable CrowdStrike systems were malfunctioning, spewing out false alarms and causing widespread panic. It was like watching a slow-motion train wreck with no clear way to stop it. The incident raised tough questions about the preparedness of even the most respected cybersecurity firms. How could this have happened? And what did it mean for the future of cybersecurity? The pivotal moment came when the full extent of the damage became clear. It was a moment of stark realization where the gravity of the situation hit home. The incident was no longer just a technical glitch. It was a full-blown crisis. In that instant, the cybersecurity community came together, trying to make sense of the chaos and find a way forward. It was a powerful reminder of the importance of transparency, communication, and collaboration in the face of adversity. The CrowdStrike incident of July 19th serves as a stark reminder of the importance of preparedness and adaptability in the face of uncertainty. It's a wake-up call for the entire cybersecurity community, highlighting the need for better communication, improved incident response, and a renewed focus on transparency. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of the CrowdStrike drama. If you've got thoughts on the incident, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. And if you're curious about more cybersecurity stories, be sure to check out my video on Related Video, where we dive deeper into the world of cybersecurity.